Women from higher education to make India developed by 2047, said Draupadi Murmu. Infosys Maker Lab on Wheels inspire innovation at St. Joseph's Boys High School. Raigad educational official arrested for Rs 40,000 bribe. St. Joseph's Boys High School celebrates unity and talent at Cadence Music Competition. Primary teachers to protest against Maharashtra government on September 25. Himachal to recall deputy teachers, launch student exposure visits.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Education News Network. I am Pallavi Kulkarni. Today's top news are: President Draupadi Murmu during the Diamond Jubilee convocation of Devi Ahilyabai Holkar Vishwavidyalaya emphasized the need to promote women's higher education to achieve India's goal of becoming the most developed nation by 2047. Addressing the gathering, she urged educational institutions to encourage daughters to pursue higher studies and becoming self-reliant. Murmu highlighted that women constitutes half of the population and their participation is crucial for the country's development. She praised the increasing number of meritorious female students and stressed collective development, citing Prime Minister Narendra Modi's slogan "Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas or Sabka Prayas." Reflecting on Devi Ahilyabai contributions to education and women development, Murmu called for continued efforts to support inclusive growth. Madhya Pradesh Governor Mangubai Patel and Chief Minister Mohan Yadav also spoke at the event. The Infosys Springboard Maker Lab on Wheels visited St. Joseph's Boys High School on September 6, 2024, transforming the campus into a vibrant center for innovation and hands-on learning. This mobile lab introduced students to a variety of engaging projects, with a standout of being Airdenu project focused on the traffic lights, which provided a deep dive into programming and electronics. The experience highlighted the potential of smart technology in education, fostering creativity and curiosity. Students discovered a new interactive ways to learn, moving beyond traditional textbooks. The Maker Lab visit was more than just an educational event. It was a journey into technological creativity, igniting a passion for exploration and innovation that will propel students forward in the rapidly evolving tech landscape. Overall, it was a day filled with inspiration and discovery, emphasizing the importance of hands-on learning in shaping the future thinkers and creators. A 47-year-old coordinator in the Raigad Zilla Parishad's primary education department was arrested for accepting Rs 40,000 bribe to release the salaries of 4 teachers, the Anti-Corruption Bureau revealed on Thursday. The accused, also a deputy teacher at primary school in Jatade, Panvel, demanded money for releasing the teachers' June and July salaries. After one of the teachers filed the complaint, the ACB set a trap on September 4, but accused tipped off, avoided taking the bribe. However, on September 6, the ACB successfully caught the official accepting the money at Khalapur Phata on the old Mumbai-Pune highway. A case has been filed against him under the Prevention of Corruption Act. St. Joseph's Boys High School hosted its 6th edition of the music competition Cadence on September 12 and 13. Celebrating music's transformative power, the event showcased over 1,500 participants from various schools, emphasizing music as a universal language that transcends cultural boundaries. This year's competition featured solo, duet and group singing categories for the juniors and senior divisions. With performance in English, Kannada and Hindi, Chief guest Ms. Priya Mandis encouraged students to embrace their unique artistic voices. Principal Sunil Fernandez expressed pride in providing a platform for students to develop musical talents and life skills. The competition helped the participants to build self-esteem and resilience. With constructive feedback aiding personal growth, the fest culminated in a prize-giving ceremony where Bethany High School, Sarjapur Road, was crowned overall champions. Cadence continues to enhance the school's community, fostering pride and camaraderie among students, staff and families. Primary teachers in Maharashtra will protest on September 25, demanding the cancellation of retired teachers' recruitment through contract methods. Teachers Association plan to close all the elementary school and march to District Collector's office. Mahesh Sarote, a Teachers Association member, criticized the state's education department for ignoring unresolved issues and replacing regular teachers with retired ones, affecting students' education. Teachers are also protesting the exclusion of students without Aadhaar cards for educational benefits. They accused the government for attempting to privatize local bodies, schools and deny students from their right to freedom of education. Teachers will wear black ribbons in protest with a statewide strike set for September 25. Himachal Education Minister Rohit Thakur announced that teachers and officers on deputation to other states will be soon recalled and reposted in Himachal Pradesh. Notices will be issued and records of those on long-term deputation will be reviewed. Thakur highlighted plans for exposure visit for 20 meritorious students from class 10 to 12, including those excelling in sports and cultural activities. Dedicated teachers will also join these visits. He proposed shifting rented college buildings to vacant schools and rationalizing staff. Education models from Assam, Chhattisgarh and Gujarat will be studied. A national achievement survey involving 1.61 lakh students from 13,000 schools was reviewed. By next month, all 15,000 schools will be implemented biometric teachers' attendance with students' attendance to follow. Plans for awarding teachers and introducing new subjects were also discussed. That's all for today's news. Signing off with Pallavi Kulkarni. For more such news and detailed information, log into our website www.theann.com. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video and subscribe to our channel.